Good morning, everybody. As you can see this video, we are taking it in prison where we have been detained for more than 7 months. So this video is the fact. We are telling everybody that we are Sudanese brothers that have been detained for more than 7 months. Where we drink, as you can see, we drink the water of latrine. This is where we drink. We drink the water of latrine. That water, as you can see the video, is where we defecate, and we also shower, and we drink. As you can see the pictures and the barrels. This is the place, and as you can see, this is the place. You're seeing one of the brother down there is sleeping, and you're seeing the trash, the diseases. A lot of people have died, and we have more like 90 people who are sick of anti-parasite diseases. The trash with us together, what we eat here. There are more than 500 people inside this prison in 5 different zones. We are telling the international communities and the Sudanese brothers outside there to know that we are in pain and suffering. We are detained for no reason, no deportation for us, and no releasing of the people. We have been here for so long time. Nobody knows about us. I don't know about our families know that we are alive. Everybody knows that we are dead. As you can see, these people, they are like dead bodies. They are like dead bodies, but they are alive. But because of the coldness in the morning, that's why they are like this. We are calling on international communities and international organizations to look on us. He's one of our brothers. He's also having mental health. He used to sleep here in the veranda. You already know.